Hello to all our public and private school teachers from the different schools and divisions in the country. I hope you're doing well, performing our functions as teachers despite this COVID-19 pandemic. Despite this crisis, we're still committed to enhance teacher quality through action research. The Department of Education launched its battle cry, Sulong Edukalidad, which aims to achieve quality in basic education. This online training on action research will help us achieve quality in basic education by improving the learning environment and upskilling the competencies of our public school teachers. Teachers are facing with various learning-related problems that really affect the teaching-learning process, which include low student participation in class activities, irregular attendance, low motivation of pupils to perform their best in class, reading problem, and low scores in the assessment. We have here with us a math teacher from the Schools Division Office, Makati City, as he shares with us a problem that he encountered in his math class.
What is one of the major problems in my classroom? Well, definitely that would be the low mean percentage score in grade 6 math. I have assumption why that thing happened. First is the student factor. When they entered grade 6, we found out that most of them lack basic skills in math. Some can even add and some can even subtract.
One English teacher from the Schools Division Office, Pasig City, will share with us her experience in English class.
Students' lack of independent problem-solving skills when it comes to schoolworks, and they often rely on their classmates to tell them how to do it.
There are 3 factors that need to be considered when we conduct an action research, which include the context of teaching, the context of the classroom, and the context of learning. An action research is a teacher-initiated activity with the goal of improving both the pedagogy and learning. Here is a framework that shows the definition of action research. Here with us are the teachers from the different schools who will share their own understanding about an action research.
An action research is a specific inquiry about an existing or an emerging issue in the teaching practice. Such investigation may be conducted by a school teacher, for example, who is curious about how to increase students' productivity or achievement level, or a school administrator who wishes to refine systems, or maybe a combination of both, a collaboration rather, in order to find practical solutions to these specific concerns. What is unique about action research is learning by doing. A teacher, for example, who is in the middle of the implementation of a school policy or a learning strategy may gather that data, analyze the information, and create insight, create realizations that will advise his colleagues and improve his own teaching practices, of course, for the benefit of the learners. Unlike a full-length academic research, which aims to generate inclusive, expansive theories on academic trends, action research provides immediate feedback. It provides practical solutions to the unique needs of every classroom, every child, and every school in general.
Teachers are imperatively expected to make a positive impact on students' learning. Possessing adequate knowledge in conducting action research has long been expected from us teachers, right? So what is an action research? It is basically a tool in enhancing classroom practices and fulfilling education responsibilities. It is a process of systematic inquiry done by teachers or other individuals in an education setting that seek to improve issues or problems affecting the performance of the students or the performance of the school in general.
Hi everyone, my name is Ronald Lucascia. I am a mathematics teacher from Rizal High School. I've been making an action research since 2015, and my knowledge and understanding about action research is that it is a method of finding out what works best in your own classroom so that you can improve your students' learning. It also improves your own teaching in your own classroom, in your own department, or in your school. And it also discovers which teaching techniques works best in a particular situation. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, Sir Jace. An action research for me is a great evaluation tool for us to reflect on the quality of classroom instructions applied for our learners. I think also that an action research mainly focuses on the problems encountered by the teachers inside the classroom and tries to solve these challenges. Basically, the purpose of an action research is to improve the quality of classroom instructions given to our learners. Thank you.
An action research is a beautiful classroom story of a classroom teacher and his or her students, where there is a positive change that happens inside the classroom, where students really learn, where students really engage, where students really participate actively in classroom discussion. And that's the goal of action research, to improve classroom practice as well as to improve the learning of students. For the next video, we'll be discussing about the different problems that teachers that may encounter when they conduct an action research and the first part of the basic action and action research proposal.